Updating to iOS 17 or 18 brings exciting new features, but some users experience performance issues, like their iPhone slowing down. In this video, we'll cover 7 effective ways to fix your iPhone if it's running slowly after the update. Part 1. Why is my iPhone so slow after iOS 18 update? Limited storage, aging battery, and optimized iOS 18 settings, background tasks, outdated apps, poor network, and too many apps running can all slow down your iPhone after the update. Part 2. How to fix iPhone slow after iOS 18/17's update. Way 1. Force restart your iPhone. Way 2. Delete unwanted apps and app caches. Tap any empty space on your home screen until the apps wobble, then tap the icon to delete them, or go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, and enable Offload Unused Apps to automatically remove unused apps when storage is low. Way 3. Update all apps. Outdated apps can sometimes affect your iPhone's performance, especially if they're not compatible with the latest iOS 18 update. Way 4. Clear history and caches. Whether you update iOS or not, your iPhone will gradually slow down if you don't clear the cache and history regularly. To help speed up your device, go to Settings, Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data to clear the cache. Way 5. Turn off background app refresh. If your iPhone 16/15 or other models feel slow after updating to iOS 18/17, try turning off background apps. Background app activity can sometimes interfere with the CPU, affecting the performance of other apps. Way 6. Enable reduce motion. If your iPhone feels laggy, enabling reduce motion can help by minimizing animations. Go to Settings, Accessibility Motion, and toggle on Reduce Motion. Way 7. Turn off location services. To enhance the speed of the device, you can disable an app's access to location services if it is not necessary. While some apps, like Maps and ride-sharing apps, require location services to work, you can only activate location services for these apps when necessary. Bonus: transfer files to computer to avoid iPhone getting slow after updating. iOS updates can slow your iPhone due to limited storage from media files. Free up space by using Mobikin Assistant for iOS to selectively transfer photos, videos, and more to your PC or Mac. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and tap Trust. Step 2. Choose the data categories, Preview, and select Files. Step 3. Click Export, choose a location, and the backup will start.